Have you ever wondered why World Cup matches look so incredibly beautiful? It is not just the stadium. It is not just the players. It is the cameras. Every World Cup match is filmed like a Hollywood movie. More than 40 professional cameras capture every second of the action. Some cameras are positioned high above the stadium to show the tactical view. Others are placed only a few centimeters above the grass, making every tackle and every pass look spectacular. One of the most impressive cameras is the Spidercam. Suspended by cables, it flies above the pitch and creates breathtaking aerial shots that television viewers love. Another favorite is the Spidercam. It follows players during celebrations, national anthems, and emotional moments, making fans feel as if they are on the field. Then come the super slow-motion cameras. They record hundreds of frames every second. That is why every goal can be replayed with incredible detail. You can actually see the ball bending through the air and the goalkeeper's reaction in perfect slow motion. Behind the scenes, an entire production team watches dozens of screens at the same time. The television director decides which camera you see every second of the match. One mistake could mean missing one of the greatest moments in football history. Some of these broadcast cameras cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Their giant lenses are designed to capture every emotion, every celebration, and every unforgettable goal. The next time you watch a football match, pay attention to the incredible camera angles. You are not just watching football. You are watching one of the most sophisticated live television productions in the world. Subscribe for more amazing football secrets.
If you love football, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.